Welcome to HR Chronicle, the all-in-one HR and payroll management software in the Middle East. In today's video, we are excited to introduce a powerful new update in HR Chronicle, the Replace Approver feature. Now you can reduce approval delays and keep workflows moving smoothly. Let's take an example. Suppose an employee applies for leave, and the request has 3 levels of approval. But what happens if the first level approver is unavailable or on leave? The request gets stuck at the first level and cannot move to the next approver until it's approved. That's exactly where the new Replace Approver option helps. Let's see how it works. Go to Business Setup. Navigate to Self-Service. Here, you'll find the Replace Approver option. Click on it. Now you can select the current approver, view all pending requests under that approver, choose a new approver to handle those requests. Once selected, click on Replace Approver. And that's it. The pending requests are instantly reassigned to the new approver for quick action. Now the new approver can easily review and approve the requests without any delays. Here, you can see the requests being pushed for approval in the new approver dashboard within ESS. Go to Approval. Here you can see the requests. Click on Approve. The request has been approved successfully. There is also an option to assign HR as an approver. If the assigned HR is unavailable and requests are pending, you can easily transfer those requests to another HR for approval. Faster approvals, better workflow continuity, improved employee experience. For more exciting updates, subscribe to our channel. HR Chronicle, the all-in-one HR and payroll management software in the Middle East. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.